Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Degen Kid. In today's video I'm going to be talking about one of the hottest projects out there. Already a lot of people are saying that this could be the blockchain of the future, and that is Casper. So Casper, just so you guys don't get it confused, Casper is Kaspa, and I know I've made videos on Casper as well, the other project, which is Casper. So yeah guys, just don't get it confused. Today we're going to be looking at Casper, which is Kaspa. So let's load that up onto CoinGecko. Ticker for this is KAS, so KAS. Let's bring that up. Currently trading ranked 86 in terms of overall crypto market cap. Trading at roughly 3 cents, and circulating supply, you can see 17 billion tokens. Total supply here says 17 billion, but I'm pretty sure there is more than that. So we'll take a look at the website and just have a look at the tokenomics there. Market cap is 524 million. So potentially there could be a lot of upside to be made from Casper, because this is an absolutely amazing and huge project. So all-time high was achieved literally a day ago at 0.037, and we're into that kind of, although we're getting a bit of a retracement at the moment, we're in that kind of price discovery area for Casper. So we could get a bit of a pullback before we continue on to the upside. Last 7 days, last 14 days and last 30 days have been absolutely amazing. 85% up over the course of last 7 days, 126% up over the last 14 days, and 178% up over the last 30 days. So a lot of gains were made. Obviously guys, if you are holding Casper, I'd definitely take a little bit of profit if you was in before those pumps. And if you're not in at the moment, I'd probably just wait a little bit and kind of see what happens if the price gets a little bit lower before potentially going in, if that is something that you guys want to do. So guys, obviously, like, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice, so do your own research if you do look to invest. But anyways, let's load up the website here. So Casper, so beyond the block, Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. So covering those 3 pillars of a blockchain: decentralization, security and scalability. You know, Casper looks to achieve all 3 of those, which is amazing. So the project was founded in 2016 by a Jonathan Sompolonsky and Aviv Zohar. And basically what it is it's a advanced proof of work blockchain, and it implements the Ghostag protocol. So whereas unlike like the traditional blockchains, what the Ghostag protocol does, it doesn't neglect parallel blocks. Instead, what it does is it allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus, which I guess helps Casper achieve the scalability that it can achieve. So the project is, as I was saying, decentralized. There's no central governance or business model. It's purely community based and open source, so purely decentralized, which is huge. And I guess from a kind of a safety perspective, Casper obviously guarantees safety, and the advantages that it kind of delivers is that it's got faster blockchain processing speed and also adjustable block time and rewards as well. So obviously that's huge from a blockchain perspective. So if we go down the list here, we can just see some of the functionalities that it has, and a little bit about what it has to offer. So obviously proof of work, block DAG is the consensus, block time literally 1 second, market cap at the moment, as I was talking about, 531 million, and here max supply, so 28 billion, although it said something like 17 billion. Yeah, 17 billion is circulating, 28 billion is the max supply. So you can also do your own research as well. Have a look at this website, have a look at the Ghostag white paper. You know, that will give you a lot more information about how the Ghostag protocol works, and it just kind of tells you a little bit here. So unlike traditional blockchain, Ghostag does not orphan blocks created in parallel, but rather allows them to coexist, whereby Casper is actually a block DAG. You can see the Ghostag in action in real time, so you can actually see a transaction going through on this block DAG visualizer, which is pretty cool. Key features: fastest transactions, instant confirmation, scalable, you know, all those areas of a blockchain that each project tries to aim to deliver. Casper is literally delivering those efficient proof of work, security, block DAG, overcoming the problems of blockchain. Casper processes all blocks in parallel, linking all side chains. So yeah, that's huge. So third-party wallets, just a little bit more about this. Exchanges that you can find this on, so Mexi, CoinX, Gate, Hotbit. There's quite a lot of exchanges to choose from, and obviously you can have a look on CoinGecko as well, just to see what other trading pairs and what exchanges there are to trade this token on. So if we go back up, just have a look at the tokenomics here. Just bring that up. So whenever it decides to load, so you can see here 17.6 is circulating, 28.7 is the max supply, and the release schedule, you can see pretty much a slow gradual release. So effective solar mining, obviously you can mine the token as well, which is pretty cool. So you can set up your own mining nodes and mine Casper. So Casper is 100% decentralized, open source and community managed. Max supply is 28.7 billion coins, with an emission schedule that halves once per year via smooth monthly reductions by a factor of whatever that is, a half over 1/12. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So you can see how the release schedule is kind of scheduled out for Casper. Yeah guys, so obviously have a look at this and do your own research as well, but I thought I wanted to bring it to your attention because it's a great project. And another cool, interesting fact that I did find as well on the Twitter for Casper, let's just load that up. So you can see some comparison charts versus other blockchains, I guess. So Purpose solves the trilemma. So Bitcoin obviously store value, scalable for Cadena, and you can see here some of the other ones here, asset transfer and so on. But speed, block time, Casper is 1 second, which is absolutely amazing compared to, I guess, some of these other blockchains here. Stellar is doing quite well with 3 seconds. Consensus mechanism, proof of work, so similar to some of these other blockchains. So obviously Bitcoin is proof of work, Cadena as well, yeah, and some of these other ones, Dogecoin and so on. So solves trilemma, yes, no, yes. So Cadena partially does. I guess what they're saying when they say solves trilemma, I'm pretty certain that means the whole decentralized security and scalability, but I'm not too sure what that actually means. However, statistically, you know, Casper is the one that is literally looking to solve that issue anyways, and Cadena does partially as well. So smart contracts, not currently available on Casper, but will be coming soon. I did read somewhere that that it potentially will be in Q2 2023. I think I might have that article open still. Yeah, so Casper is at its infancy. There are no smart contracts, layer 2 protocols, tokenization systems. Yet Casper's Rust language rewrite, which concludes in Q2 2023, will lay the groundwork for these advanced functionalities. So, you know, after this rewrite of the Rust language, then potentially they'll be looking to launch the smart contracts on their platform, which will be huge. So yeah guys, I thought this chart was pretty interesting, you know, comparisons to other blockchains. Obviously it's interesting to see when you do compare it to some of these other big players, obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cadena and Cardano. So yeah, it looks pretty cool when you compare their statistics versus the others. Take a look at the charts quickly. Looking at this on the daily, KAS USDT, and you can see literally have been on a tear up. So if I just put a trend line in, we've just gone like this, basically gone all the way up. MACD looks very bullish. So yeah, the MACD is showing these green histograms, and we've got a huge bullish momentum in the market, so which looks very good. Pulling the Bollinger Band, currently trading upper end of the Bollinger Bands. We've actually come out of the Bollinger Bands, come back down, hit the upper end of the band, and it looks like we're kind of using that as a level of resistance. So if I just draw a line in here, so kind of using this level as a level of a level of support. So yeah, we could potentially bounce up from there. If not, if we break this level of support and we continue to come down, then I guess the next level is kind of at the 0.02. It really depends if we can break these levels. However, if we don't, then potentially could go even higher up from that point onwards. So let's take a look at some of the moving averages. Obviously 50 and 100, we are absolutely smashing them and trading well above them at the moment. So looks very bullish from a chart perspective when you look at Casper against the USDT. So overall, guys, you know, from my perspective, looking at Casper and how much it's ran at the moment, I'll just kind of be holding off purchasing just right now, waiting for a bit more of a kind of pullback and then potentially going in. But like I said, guys, if you was already in Casper and you had the token before, then definitely take a little bit of profit off the table and look to reinvest if we do get a bit of a pullback. But yeah, overall, from my perspective, longer term, great project, great blockchain, and potentially could be a huge one for the future. Hit me up on the comments below. Let me know what you think about Casper, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.